Due to the increasing demand for the Mazda CX-30, Bermaz has taken a remarkable step by initiating the local assembly of this model. This strategic move allows Bermaz to cater to the needs of their local customers more efficiently. Apart from that, they've also streamlined the CX-30 lineup, offering a simplified yet diverse range of choices. Instead of multiple engine options, Bermaz now only offers one engine across 4 different variants. And at the pinnacle of this lineup sits the Mazda CX-30 High Premium. With that, welcome back to Carsick.my for another review video. This time round, I'll embark on a journey to explore the locally assembled Mazda CX-30 High Premium and see if it matches up to the fully imported model. When it comes to the exterior, the CKD model of the CX-30 has retained much of the same captivating charm as its CBU counterpart. After being on sale for 3 years, this vehicle has become a familiar sight on Malaysian roads. In my opinion, it still stands as an exceptionally attractive looking crossover. One notable feature is the long hood, which gives the CX-30 a distinctive appearance. It's a design choice that enhances the overall appeal. As a premium model, the CX-30 boasts full LED lightings to suit its modern sculpted look, and to top it all off, the adaptive LED headlights ensure optimal visibility at night. Completing the CX-30's sophisticated look are the 18-inch rims, wrapped in 215/55 R18 tires. These wheels do add to the sporty and youthful look of the vehicle. Just like the CBU model, the CX-30 boasts the signature Mazda interior. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a lavish interior, adorned with dark brown leather. The attention to detail is impeccable, with an abundance of soft-touch materials that exudes a premium feel. The driver's seat offers a familiar view, with a blend of analog and digital meters showcased in the instrument cluster. It's a design Mazda enthusiasts will recognize from their other models. The digital display measures in at 7 inches, providing you with a clear view of the speedometer. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find an impressive 8.8-inch high-definition infotainment screen. This sleek display, also featured in the Mazda MX-30, brings your multimedia experience to life. And for added convenience, Mazda Malaysia has equipped the local assembly model with a 360-degree camera, and it provides a good view around the vehicle. The high-definition camera ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions. As for the climate controls, dual-zone climate control comes standard, allowing you to set the perfect temperature for both you and your passengers. This provided an extra layer of comfort to the driver and front passenger. Taking to the driver's seat, you'll notice the CX-30's exceptional ergonomics. Despite not being the largest vehicle on the market, Mazda has nailed the seating position. It provides a commanding view of the road ahead, giving you a sense of confidence. The CX-30's clever design makes you feel elevated, enhancing that SUV-like experience, all while maintaining a comfortable and cozy cabin. Let's shift our focus to the back seat. Surprisingly, there's ample legroom and headroom to accommodate even taller passengers. However, the seat bench does lean towards the firmer side. As we move to the rear, you'll notice the smaller windows and thick C-pillars, resulting in a slightly darker ambience. Now, let's talk storage. The CX-30 offers a respectable 430 liters of boot space, perfect for your daily needs. And when you need more room, the rear seats can be conveniently folded down, expanding the cargo area. For an added touch of luxury, the CX-30 High Premium even features a powered tailgate, ensuring effortless access to your belongings. Mazda Malaysia has made some notable changes to the CX-30, especially in this CKD version. In the CKD version, they have bid farewell to the 1.8-litre turbo diesel engine that was previously available in the fully imported model. This is due to the diesel model of the CX-30 not quite capturing the attention of the Malaysian market, so Mazda Malaysia decided to streamline their offerings. With that, the only powertrain available is the 2-litre, 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated Skyactiv engine. This engine is coupled with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission. Apart from the powertrain, Mazda Malaysia also discontinued the all-wheel drive model of the CX-30, making it exclusively available in the front-wheel drive version. This change allows Mazda Malaysia to cut production costs while still being tailored to the needs of the Malaysian drivers. So, here are the numbers you've been waiting for. Performance-wise, this engine packs a punch, providing adequate power to bring this vehicle up to speed effortlessly. As a Skyactiv engine, it shares some similar characteristics with the 1.5-litre engine found in the Mazda 2. One of those similarities is the low-end torque, which may feel somewhat weak. However, unlike its counterpart, the lack of low-end torque from this engine is not that noticeable. But when the engine speed surpasses the 2500 RPM mark, this engine truly comes alive. When driving at a slower pace, the engine has a calm and smooth demeanor, adding a touch of premium feel to the overall experience. But when you push the engine to higher speeds, you might notice some vibration creeping into the cabin. Nonetheless, the engine remains capable and responsive, delivering a burst of acceleration when you needed it. Complementing this exceptional engine is a finely tuned 6-speed automatic transmission. Developed alongside the engine, this transmission is a match made in heaven. It seamlessly works hand in hand with the engine, ensuring it always finds the right gear at the right moment, enhancing both performance and efficiency. However, it's important to note that this powertrain has been on the market for quite some time now. While it still holds its ground, advancement in powertrain technology do make this powertrain feel a tad dated. When it comes to Mazda vehicles, one thing is certain, they know how to deliver an outstanding ride and handling experience. And the CX-30 is no exception. The Mazda CX-30 exhibits impressive agility when tackling corners. Its nimble nature allows it to maneuver with ease, providing drivers with a sense of confidence as they navigate those twisty roads. On the open highway, the CX-30 feels solidly planted, providing a smooth and stable ride. Its suspension keeps the vehicle well balanced, allowing for a comfortable and enjoyable cruising experience. The direct steering wheel further enhances the CX-30's agility. It offers precise control, giving the driver a heightened sense of connection to the road. The weight of the steering wheel provides excellent feedback, instilling even more confidence, particularly when tackling those challenging corners. Now, let's talk about the CX-30's ride quality. Mazda has opted for a slightly stiffer suspension setup, which contributes to its exceptional handling capabilities. This decision means that the CX-30 exhibits minimal body roll, keeping it firmly planted during spirited cornering. When it comes to the brakes, the CX-30 delivers sufficient performance for your day-to-day driving needs. The initial brake pedal felt good, but from time to time, you may need to apply more pressure on the brake pedal to slow the vehicle down within your expected distance. This caught me off guard, as I anticipated a more immediate response for a vehicle that offers an enjoyable driving experience. Moving on to the safety and driver assistance systems, the top-spec CX-30 comes equipped with a comprehensive set of ADAS. Mazda has refined the software to provide a more civilized driver assistance experience. In the past, when setting up the adaptive cruise control, the system would accelerate aggressively to reach the desired speed. However, with the latest update, the CKD model no longer exhibits this behavior. The new software ensures smoother acceleration and more predictable control, allowing for a more comfortable and relaxed driving experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the impressive safety and driver assistance systems available on the Mazda CX-30 High Premium. By locally assembling the CX-30 right here in Malaysia, Mazda has been able to deliver to local customers efficiently. While the price tag is only slightly cheaper at 159,000 ringgit, you do get quite a complete vehicle at this price point. Now, the question is, does it stack up to the fully imported version of the CX-30? Well, I'm happy to report that the build quality is on par with the fully imported model. The CX-30 is the perfect choice for those who crave the versatility of an SUV without sacrificing a thrilling driving experience. Its responsive handling and smooth ride make every journey a joy. And let's not forget the abundant features packed into this SUV. From advanced safety technologies to luxurious comfort options, the CX-30 has it all. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please kindly leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more future review videos. If you would like to find out more about the Mazda CX-30 High Plus Premium, feel free to drop by our website carsick.my for more information. Hope to see you soon. Bye!